Are you ready to ensure your electrical panels are safe and reliable? This video outlines the process of electrical panel maintenance inspection using eAuditor. Discover how structured checklists, photo documentation, and automated tasks enhance safety and compliance. The inspection ensures electrical panels function safely and efficiently. It verifies that breakers, connections, and wiring meet standards. Using structured checklists, each inspection point is evaluated. Photographic evidence is captured at critical steps. Issues are converted into corrective actions with deadlines. The inspection covers visual, operational, and documentation aspects. Visual checks for damage, overheating, or corrosion are conducted. Breakers are tested to ensure ratings match circuit requirements. Circuit labels are verified against schematics. Grounding systems are inspected for code compliance. Begin by loading the template in eAuditor and enabling necessary features. Assign the inspection to a qualified technician. Conduct a visual inspection for damage or defects. Photograph any anomalies found. Ensure the panel door operates smoothly. Test breakers for proper tripping under overload conditions. Inspect for mechanical wear or corrosion. Verify breaker ratings and document deficiencies. Check wiring connections and bus bars for tightness. Clean the panel and document the process with photos. Capture real-time data with yes/no checks and condition ratings. Attach photos and tag corrective actions for tracking. Convert issues into tasks with deadlines. Monitor recurring issues for preventive planning. Generate detailed reports for audits and compliance. The eAuditor inspection ensures panels are safe and functional. Structured checklists and photo documentation support compliance. Automated corrective actions enhance maintenance efficiency. Through this process, operational safety is prioritized. Your electrical systems remain reliable and compliant.